Welcome to the Showstopper Show's Must or Bust. Today, I'm tasting the Popeyes Spicy Chicken Sandwich. Let's see if this is a must or a bust.
Must or bust.
All right, y'all, I just left Popeyes and I was like, man, I've got to try this. I've never had the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. So I have had the regular sandwich, and I did a comparison video last year to the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. So this has spicy mayonnaise, which consists of cayenne pepper, some paprika. It's basically spices added to mayonnaise to give it this spicy flavor. Also has some pickles here, and of course the crispy chicken that Popeyes is known for. One big slab of crispy chicken. Let's taste this, and let me tell you if this is a must or a bust. Here we go. All right, I have taken several bites of this sandwich, and I must tell you, it's hot for me. So, first reaction is it's spicy. The chicken is amazing. It's crunchy and it's fresh. It's juicy. All of the above is good. The bun is good. It's not too thick. It's not too fat. My only drawback is there's too much sauce on this. It's lathered on the bottom and on the top. As you can see right here, it is just a ton of sauce just all over the place, and it's dripping out the bottom as well. Everything is dripping. Let me wipe that off here. It is caked on here. The spice enhances the taste of the chicken, but there is so much sauce on the bottom, it's overpowering it for me. If I was to order this again, I would say just put the sauce on the top. I will tell you, this Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich is a must. I got the combo, just a small size combo. I got a Diet Coke, and I also got the fries that come with it, all for $5.99 plus tax at my local Popeyes. So if you guys have tried this and you like it or don't, or you think it's not worth the hype, I don't care about hype. I'm just wanting a good sandwich, and that's what I'm getting it for. I don't go because it's popular. I go because it's good or not. And I do like some good chicken. Look, there's more dripping back here. Look at that. So while I go ahead and take care of the extra sauce over here and finish eating this sandwich, you guys don't forget to subscribe, touch the bell to be notified every time I post a video. And I do product reviews, I'm doing food reviews, and I'm telling you if they're a must or a bust. Dude, guys, it is literally all over me now, all this sauce. Thanks for watching the Showstopper Shows. May the forks be with you. May his presence be with you. Always put a bow on the show, because that is a wrap. The show stops here. Never quit, y'all. I got to go get a napkin and eat the rest of this sandwich, because it is really tasty. So thanks for watching. The show stops here. Never quit, y'all. Woo!